I've been here for 10 years in CBS in Oideachais. We were very busy here with sports. We have first year hurling and football teams, under 15s, under 16 and a halves, seniors, and we compete at county and Munster. So, there's always a team or two that needs training and brought to matches and that. We've had a lot of success over the years. Last year we won the Munster C Hurling and Football Championship in the space of a week back in February. When students come to us, they're probably around the age where they are maybe thinking of giving up sport, or they've lost interest, or it's too competitive for them. So being a PE teacher, one of our main aims is that we try and include everybody in the PE class, and we help them to become physically active and stay physically active just for the fun of it and for the enjoyment with their friends. So it's really important that everybody is open to partaking in sport at some stage. CBS in Oideachais has a big name in Clare and in Munster for partaking in football and hurling competitions. So any day you go out with a green and white jersey on is a big day for the lads. We have huge competition for panels and for making the trainings and that. And it's something that the boys always remember is their time in CBS, playing with their friends and off on the buses to the matches and that. I'm just from Kilmona down the road, and I have 3 sisters at home. So when we were tall enough to hold a hurley, we were sent off to play hurling. We didn't have a camogie club in Aina until when I was 12 years old, I think it started up. But since it did start up, we have had lots of success. We won an All-Ireland Junior Championship in 2011. And in 2016, we won the Senior Championship for the first time. GA is just part of everything we do, every weekend, every month, every year. We're always at matches, playing matches, watching matches. Part of a lot of people, I think, in this locality, what they're made of. Last year we had a very busy year. For February and March we ended up on the road for 8 weeks playing Munster semi-finals, Munster finals, All-Ireland semis and All-Ireland finals. We were fortunate enough to win the double Munster, and that would be a huge achievement for such a small school with just over 220 boys. So the senior hurling and senior football panel had just maybe at max 40 boys that were keeping it going. It was a really big thing for the community as well as the school. We had huge support from the local clubs, the local businesses, as well as the teachers and the students here who backed us in the matches and had the journey to see the games. We've had lots of students pass through the school who are representing Clare in hurling and football teams, or even on big days like county final day. It's a really nice day for us to go and see people that we haven't seen in a few years, or that we taught or we coached. There's a real sense of community about CBS in Oideachais. Everybody's like one big family here. When we go to the matches and that, there's huge crowds there to support. Any matches we've coming up now, all the young ones are looking for the supporters bus to go and watch the older ones. It's part of our history here, playing sport with CBS in Oideachais. Most of the lads look forward to when their matches start and when their training start and when they can just get out there and put on the jersey.
The President's Education Award goes this evening to County Clare and Tara Rynne.